Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can log in to your credit card account of the Chase Bank from your PC. So first, what you're going to do is you're going to open a preferred web browser, and on the address bar or the Google search bar, you're going to type in Chase. It's the Chase Bank, and you're going to go to the credit card login sublink of the Chase Bank. Right. So you're going to click on credit card login right there. Give it some time, and you're going to type in your username and your password. And when you do that, you're going to sign in right there. You're going to click on it. So that will take you to your main menu or your main page of your account. So from there you can see how much credit that you have accumulated by the week or by the month. You can make payments or schedule the payments or do other stuffs. If this content helped you, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Take care.